Hello everyone and welcome to this video where in this video I'm going to teach you how to make $10,000 per month from home. Okay, now this is a legit guide on how to make $10,000 per month at home, and let's dive into the video. Now, while we go inside, this video will follow the current guidelines, okay? You will have to work on it at once. So after you do the work, you don't have to touch it again. It will just sit there and make money by itself, and you just have to make it once. That is one of the points, okay? After that, you don't have to create a product or course or anything like that, okay? You just have to create a video and then sell it on and then upload it online, okay? And then you don't need to be a influencer, or you don't need to have a camera in order to show your face in these videos. You just need to continue doing whatever I'm going to tell you to do now. And in number 4, you don't have to spend your money on ads or anything, for example, like surveys where people will just take your information and sell it online, okay? And in number 5, you don't have to have a large amount of investment inside a business or any sort of money needed in order to create an investment in a business, okay? So let's go forward to the next part. Now, the easiest way to make money online is basically by using a high payout partner product plus high leverage traffic source. Now, you might be asking me, what does this mean? This is so confusing to me. But don't worry, in the next few overviews, I will show you everything you need to know about how to make $10,000 per month without any given like too much work, etc. Okay, now the first step in order to do this easy money process, you have to basically find a similarity with your interest and market usefulness. Okay, now the first step is basically go open up a Google document or a Word document or any feasible writing source and then write down everything you're interested in. It can be the things you like to do, watch, spend time with, and also your hobbies are all okay, all right? And make sure you write them down in bullet points so that later in the next step you can continue using it. Afterwards, make sure they include things like cars, bikes, games, technology, etc., just so you know, okay? Now make sure you at least make 20 of them, and after that our step 1 will be complete, okay? Now after that you have to make sure that you take your list and compare it with the list that I'm going to show you right now, all right? And in this list, you can see that I have the most profitable areas of marketing listed. First one is traveling, second, finances, third, people, fourth, technology, and fifth, being healthy, okay? Now, if any of these points over here are being able to be compared with the list that you created, go ahead and select those points out, and afterwards I'm going to basically tell you what to do with those points, okay? Okay, now after you're done comparing my list to your list and finding similarities, let's go ahead with the next step. In the next step, we will basically partner with a finished high payout product, all right? Over here, we will basically tell you that there's a lot of websites that have marketplaces online which give you access for getting some of the money of their sales, and they include Digistore, ClickBank, and more, okay? And after this, I'll show you how to use them in a practical example, all right? Now, after coming inside our site, what we will do is basically go to marketplace, all right? Now after going to marketplace, you'll notice that we have some products over here. Now take the points that which you have selected beforehand in this video and then compare it over here. If they go through, then you'll select some of these parts over here, for example, sports. Let me select this. And now after that, you'll see that we have multiple results or some results about sports. Okay. And over here, we will see how much percent of commission we're receiving. We have to receive at least 50% of commission. Okay. Or else we need to actually search for more. Okay. First over here, I can see that I have a paddle challenge over here for 50% commission, and it is around $37. Now I do not want that. I want money which will actually go up above $500. So let me select another option from here. So let's say we select software, okay, which is technological. And here we can see that it's 225, 22, 54. I'll just find a commission that has at least $500 and then show it to you. All right, over here you can see that I have found an investment in which I can select to promote this with around $500, and I'll get at least 50% commission. Now, you might ask me, why 50% of this product? Well, this is because, for example, if you take 50% of $450, you're making $225 a day. So in one sale per day, you will get $225 per day. Okay? So after that, what you'll do is basically click on the promote now link, and then you will get a link over here which will give you a promo link, which then you can use later after I explain what to do next. Okay? So next, after that, you have to formulate your ideas in step 3. So what you'll do first is basically go to YouTube and then search the category you selected on the step number 1, and then find the top 3 channels within that category. Then you'll go to their channel, videos, and then select popular to find their basically topmost 10 popular videos from each of these 3 channels, which will give you 30 ideas. Okay? Now go right down the videos that you will see and then basically open them up and write them in your own words. And you can use Copyscape to check for plagiarism if you want to check your words and make sure you do not make any mistakes. All right. After this, what you'll do is basically also feel free to use multiple videos as information, and then in your own words, put all the best parts in the videos into a script. Okay. In the previous parts, I told you to choose something which you like because you might be able to put some additional information which will increase the value and give you a higher chance to make money. Okay? After that, go to Google Slides and then make a slideshow with your script, and then make sure your slideshow has icons on it. Some sites where you can get free icons and pictures are Flaticon. Basically, if you're trying to search for icons, go to this website. It will give you icons for free and it will give you icons for free and very fast. After that, if you want to go and select pictures, I suggest going to Free Pick. You can just create an account over there and then easily get your pictures, vectors, templates, etc. Okay? Then use the OBS recording software, which is actually free in Microsoft and Apple. So then you'll record your screen while trying to read your slideshow that you have created in a Google slide, okay, using the videos that you have written down. Okay? Afterwards, you will basically upload your video of the slideshow you just recorded to YouTube. Make sure you optimize them, and then remember the link that we took from that website. You have to place that link of the product that you took, and it will be within your description and pinned comment section. All right? And after this, you will see that for every view you get a lot of money, and I'll explain to you in a second why you'll get so much money. Okay? So first things first, here's a breakdown on how you will make $100 a day. First, make sure you schedule a making of 4 to 3 videos per week, okay? And then just upload them and schedule them to go out with YouTube. And after a year of doing this, you'll have at least 100 videos on your channel. Now, remember, if each video gets at least 1,000 views per month, keep in mind that 90% of your views will come from 10% of your videos. Now, that is a total of 144,000 views per month. Okay? And the 0.0004% of the people who buys your product from the link, which equals to 50 sales per month. And those 50 sales will equal to at least $50,000 plus per month. Okay? And since you're an affiliate partner with the website, you get half of which is equal to $25,000 in your wallet. So this is how you make at least $10,000 per month, or any way possible according to your preference. Thank you for watching this video.